If you're looking to upgrade your car stereo system for R1,000, look no further than the OneAcoustic Pro Series single DIN digital media receiver. This is the OneAcoustic Pro Series OA-5263BT media receiver. It's pretty basic, but it has everything you need. Most notably, it produces 25 watts of RMS power to the speakers rated at 4 ohms. But before we get into the specs of the receiver, let's unbox it. Opening up the box it comes in, we are greeted with the user manual. The user manual comes with all the basic information you will need to set up your receiver. Next up, we have the external microphone. The cable length of the external microphone is about 2 meters, allowing for flexibility when mounting it in your car. Now, if you are curious about the sound quality of the mic, I've actually been using it to record this voiceover, and I have to say it's pretty decent. However, I did have to clean up the sound somewhat, so don't expect the same clarity on calls. Take into account there will be road noise, as well as the strength of your signal. Moving along swiftly, we are presented with the radio harnesses and radio removal keys. The radio removal keys feel nice and solid and is of much better quality than the keys you would get in more budget radios. Looking at the 2 harnesses, one is for the speakers and they come perforated for easy stripping. The other one is for the power, ground and remote on connections. I've already stripped these ones so you can see the length more or less. Looking at the receiver itself, I must say I'm a fan of the design, except for the fact that the face is non-detachable. Thus, being a media receiver, it does not come with a CD or DVD drive, allowing the chassis or body to be a bit shorter with a mounting depth of 21.5 centimeters, making it easier to install. Looking at the rear of the unit, it comes with the following inputs and outputs, from left to right: antenna or aerial input, steering wheel control input, external mic jack, subwoofer pre-outs, front channel pre-outs, and rear channel pre-outs, all rated at 2 volts. We then have the harness inputs for the power and speakers, and lastly a 15 amp fuse for the 25 watt RMS per channel built-in amp, I assume. For the last part of this unboxing video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the radio powered on, and I was curious about the 10-band equalizer and illumination colors. Here we can see the equalizer goes as low as 32 Hz and as high as 16 kHz. While I'm cycling through the 7 different colors, the radio offers, I would just like to ask you guys, please hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button. It really helps a lot. Lastly, if you don't want to miss my next video where I'll be installing this radio in my 2013 Polo Vivo, hit the bell notification to be notified when the video goes live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.